Welcome to PolyMatch Global Islamic Knowledge Competition 2025. We'll start with Quran recitation.
الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
بزن بالهتمة وما أدراك ما الهتمة نار الله
First of all, thank you so much, and I've gone through much ups and downs, but as a result, I'm very thankful to Allah. I secured second one.
That's
well done,
good.
Amna. You did an excellent.
Walaikum assalam. Okay, only Zamian is the lucky one whose mother will be with him to help him answer the questions. And the rest of the parents, they'll have to leave once the competition starts. So just to ensure the fairness of the competition, one of our moderators will be directly dialed in with Zavian and his mother to make sure that Zavian is answering the questions and not his mother. So rest assured, we have taken all the measures for everyone to ensure the fairness of this competition. We take it.
I like you. I like what you guys doing. Trust me, I like you. I like your efforts. I like whatever you did so far. I mean, it's amazing.
Okay, thank you very much.
So, if you have learned even a single word, consider this as your achievement, because these are the things that are actually going to help you not only in this world but hereafter.